This presentation has been prepared to assist you in the sale of single-point automatic lubricators, or SPALs. It will cover some of the key points you should focus on when you present the product, including conceptual selling points, core focus applications, how to handle the most common objections, and the support available to you. Every company has its own unique maintenance issues. This presentation will address the general applications found in almost all major industrial settings. Your personal knowledge of specific maintenance and safety issues within a company can easily be incorporated into this presentation, thus establishing common ground on which to illustrate the benefits of SPALs to that organization. Let's start with the basics, and this is for your information should you be challenged on how long the product has been around, who we are, and our philosophy. PERMA has a very unique and defined partners program. That package is not only comprehensive, but it's now in your toolbox and something you can offer. Take a look at what we bring to the table. You will note that one of the key features is our ability to JIT shipment. We will drop ship to the end user, thus eliminating long lead times and additional handling. It also provides the foundation for the retention program, which we will discuss at the end of this presentation. So, what is a single-point automatic lubricator? This slide highlights why this sale is not only a win-win situation, but establishes reasons why SPALs are a great option. So now with that foundation in hand, let's talk sales strategies and focus points. First, the big picture approach. Next, the conceptual selling points, which break down into three categories. These are the factors that impact the bottom line of any production operation. On the next few slides, we'll look at those individual factors and their effect on the overall financial performance of an organization. So if you understand that 75% of SPAL applications are on roller bearings, then this next chart is integral to your presentation, the causes of roller bearing failure. Note that over half of bearing failures are directly attributable to lubricant-related issues. Machine downtime, longer bearing life, better utilization of assets are all key phrases to getting the attention of the maintenance director. Probing questions like the cost per hour of downtime due to failed bearings will help bring the point home on the advantages to a single-point lubricator. Return on investment, or ROI. No question that automatic lubrication will improve overall asset utilization by 25% or more, and an important point that you need to drive home. Here's an example of a basic calculation for ROI. So from the economic scale, here are the features and benefits of adding SPALs to the program. On the next few slides, we'll cover why SPALs are important when considering the overall safety program within a facility. If you are a salesperson who walks in the back door at a factory and works the floor, then you've been exposed to the rigorous safety practices being initiated and upgraded every time you visit. With the addition of SPALs in the maintenance program, you'll introduce dramatic reductions in the potential for an accident in these conditions. This slide demonstrates how SPALs can reduce the risk factor by over 95%. This is a very simple calculation for any situation, and one that you should talk about with your customer, as they all have confined space issues, lubrication points that are remote, or require a man lift to service. Plus, they want the ability to lubricate safely while the machinery is in operation. We're not going into a lot of detail here, as you will cover most of the product's technical advantages in the actual product presentation. The fact that we've been in this business for over 60 years, and the fact that we are global leaders, not only in the sales and service of SPALs, but also in the introduction of technical innovations, is a significant factor to be used as you see fit. From the technical aspects of lubrication, you have these advantages. So now that you have the sales angles and points of emphasis, the next point we want to discuss is what applications you can focus in on. To be honest, this is not rocket science and is not complicated. Our 4 core applications are noted here, and at least one of those 4 applications can be found in every industrial setting. Here are the core applications, along with some example application pictures in the next few slides. You're going to get hit with some hurdles of why they should not buy. The next few slides will give you an insight as to what you might expect for objections and how to respond. We have a full line of accessories and kits available. For example, ordering for a remote installation is not difficult. All of these items can be found on our website, and our technical line is 800-997-3762. Remind them that if they have a question, to call us. This is a web-based program which allows you to track the status of your units in place and when to reorder. The full program details are on our website, but for your presentation, all you need to know is that the end user just has to register, create his screen name and password, and they'll be able to access the program. Once in the program, they can enter all the information about where the lubricators are located, what type of lubricant is in each one, the specific setting, and when they were installed, and so forth and so on. The program will then track the units and send the user, and you if you register for that location, a text email when it comes time to reorder. That will ensure that the lubricators are replaced on a timely basis. It's a great selling tool. You now have the information you need to go in and present the advantages of a single-point automatic lubricator from several vantage points to a potential customer. Although your arguments will be persuasive, the actual conversion from a manual program to an automatic lube program will take some time, so don't get frustrated. And they will want at least 1 or 2 test units, so be prepared. Every maintenance department has a lube schedule. Ask if you can get a copy of it. This will allow us to help you put together an ROI, as well as address any of the locations in which there may be a safety concern. Remember, a great place to start with SPALs is with any hazardous location. Need help? You have several resources available to you. Your company's point of contact, who is managing the product line, has been trained and can provide answers to many of your questions. The PERMA Regional Sales Manager in your area can help. His role is to support and assist you with technical and application questions, surveys, and he'll make joint calls with you. The PERMA website has a wealth of information on it, ranging from technical and application specifics to a full accessory line and various brochures that can be downloaded. Finally, you can reach us at 800-997-3762, and we'll be happy to assist you with any questions you may have. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you the best in your sales efforts with single-point automatic lubricators.